All right, let's start drawing this clamshell, and it's gonna be really easy. All right, curve over here for the top. Sorry, I'm eating a candy bar. Sorry if I sound bad here. And then, so right here, oh, I'm choking on that candy bar. Wait, right here, I'm gonna zigzag that line along that edge. It's gonna go down. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm going to create a another line in the back. And what I want it to do is, I want it to be a definite thickness to the end of the clamshell, because the clamshells do have a thickness to it. Over here, like so. Line over here. And it's kind of that edge of that clamshell. Now, what over here, I'm going to go over here to the edge of the other side. We're going to do the bottom. Zigzag in here. Zigzag in back. Right there for the edge of that. So I want it to kind of have some texture to it by doing those curves. Curve down here. 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 Curve. Curve. So we have the bottom now of the general clamshell right there, and it has these striations. So I'm going to put them on top, right? I'm going to curve them around the top here. All right, so now we have the open oyster, the open clamshell. I'm going to go over here and draw the pearl right here, like they have in movies, right? Curve. Curve. And I'm going to go over here and draw the lip. See how there's like a little edge right here? It makes the clamshell look thick. Same thing over here. On that side, go over here on this side. Curve, curve, curve. Line over here. I'm going to throw a line, 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 line over here on this side for the inner, kind of the inner texture of that clamshell. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a circle, but not finish it off. Curve down. Curve down. Line, 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 line. And so something that you can do that I do recommend is that you kind of throw maybe a couple of lines going this way to give it a little bit more dimension than your average clamshell. Follow it with the form. You're following with this form, right? There's this bumpiness to it. And you kind of do it everywhere. Well, not everywhere, but you can do it in some places that you think are appropriate, and that's totally up to you. Go down here. Curve. Like there. Curve right here. Right here as well. And I'm putting a slightly thicker line around everything, like I said, because I think what it does is it brings more attention. Curve over here. And just continue to go down like this. curve over here. Line, line, line over here, line over here. And I'm gonna put a slightly thicker line on this right here because I want it to make it obvious that this comes more forward than anything else. Like so. And you can always throw a little bit of some curved lines over here on, I don't know what it is, like a tongue or whatever, muscles, right? And you could finally kind of wrap the shape around here and fill that in so you have this very, very obvious shape to look at right there. And there you go. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. I will see you next time. But what I want you to do first is I want you to tell you, one more thing. I'm going to draw a thicker line here at the top. Give me a good idea of what it is that you want to do, you know? Like, give me like some suggestions for something that you want to see on the channel, and I will totally make it happen. One second, let me throw a line up here because this was actually a request. Every drawing you see on this channel lately, I would say in the last week, has been literally requested. So request it and I will try to get around to it. It wasn't requested lately. Sometimes it takes me a while to get to it, but let me know. And there's a very, very, very good chance, I'm gonna throw more lines in here to make it look darker. There's a very good chance that I will get around to it, and you know, it'll be this really fun environment for everybody. You know, of like fulfilling a lot of requests. You guys are the reason I'm still here, and I want to thank you guys. It's been amazing, and I want to keep going on to. There's 200,000 subscribers soon, I think. Right, I'm at 17. I need 30,000 more. But hopefully when I hit that, I'll try to do something special for the channel. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I will see you very much in the next video, okay? See you later, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.